Hi, and welcome. This video is intended to be a small do-it-yourself of replacing a door lock, but also sort of a public service announcement to check on your brand, see if it has a good warranty. This house was built 6 years ago. We're the original owners, so we didn't actually purchase the locks, but it came with the house. But they use quality Schlage locks, and Schlage is a reputable company which has a lifetime warranty. So I was able to contact them and to get a free replacement. So again, check with your manufacturer and see if there's a replacement. So that's the main gist of this video, because this would have cost me $49.99 plus tax, but it was sent to me for free. Just had to wait a little bit. So in my case, this is what happened. This piece broke, and looks like just like a little pin that holds it. So I could just probably replace this part, but I'm going to replace this part also, but not the whole lock, because I don't want to have to rekey, because all the locks use the same key. So we'll start by removing that part. Just takes a Phillips screwdriver. Start by loosening them. I guess I'll go to the other side, open it up. And completely remove these screws. Here's the old one removed. And I'll replace it with the new one. And put in the two bolts. Make sure everything's working just fine as it should. Locks. Works great, so now I can just tighten the screws. Just keep all the old hardware just in case I ever need it. And there it is, just like new now. Again, this video was meant to be more of a public service announcement to buy good quality locks. Same would apply to plumbing fixtures. Most of the major brands will have a lifetime warranty, and if you contact them, they'll send you the parts for free. So again, this was easy to change up this part. I could have changed the whole thing, but I didn't want to rekey. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already.